first thing you're going to notice is we have our fabric poinsettias back again with the hornstooth pattern on them. And of course, these are fabric, and it's in the black and white this time. So over in Three French Hens, we had it in the red and the cream, but here we have it in the black. I also want to show you this. Isn't this the cutest felt sweater ornament right here with the snowflakes on it? Adorable one. And of course, we got lots of reds, lots of black and white ribbons here. We've got the snowman at the top of the tree, and we have some wooden snowman ornaments that say Noel, and the other one says Joy. Here's Noel here tucked in under this branch. Here's a cutie patootie. Here's the bigger sweater ornament. And then over here we have the Joy. Hello, Joy. And then we have a lot of different black and white and red ribbons in this collection. And you're going to be able to see those on our ribbon hanging trees when you see that. But the black and the red buffalo plaid is also very, very popular. And it's been popular for a while, but it's strong in Heartland Holiday. And right here, they put the stocking right on the tree. Isn't that a great idea? Put just a few stems in there, a cute little felt birdie, a bow, and the stocking. How many times do you want to sell more stockings, but you run out of places to hang, you don't have that many chimneys in your store? But just go ahead and put them right on the tree, and you can showcase them right there. I also want to show this fabric ornament. It's large. And look at that, all the different black, white, and cream on that ornament. We've got some other snowmen in the disc. This is a new one. Looks hand-painted. Gorgeous little one. And then we have some returning friends like our disc ornaments with the old vintage black truck. Everybody loves our old vintage black truck.